all traders can mark something as simple as this: high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, or low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It looks easy here. Now, if I told you to go and look for those lower lows and lower highs on the chart, it becomes a problem. Most traders cannot do that. If you're one of them, watch this video till the end. I won't make it very simple for you. So let's start from here. Of course, my chart has not already all the back chart. That's how the price action, the price of deriv behaves on the trading view. Okay. So let's start from here. We do have this neckline of the W. We shall mark it. Okay. So what happened is the market went and created for us a high. Okay. Now, when we look at the high, we expect the market to retest. So we're interested in seeing which point gives us a retest. It is this point here exactly. So we shall mark it. Okay. So this gives us high, higher low. Then from this point, we expect the market to go higher, which is exactly what the market did. Now, we're not going to mark this point here because it did not give us a retest here. So if I'm to extend this here, where we observe that the price came and broke lower, okay, and came back touch this lower one here. So meaning we're not going to mark this highest point here. Instead, we're going to look for which points gave us this retest here, and we can realize that the market broke downwards. When it broke downwards, we went and gave a retest upwards. When we went and gave a retest upwards, we came and broke down. We created another down bottom here. So which one gave us a retest to this point here? It is this low here. Okay, this is how it behaves on the chart. So it's not going to be as smooth as we drew it at the first time. So you have to really mark which one is giving us the retest. For example, if we make a high, make a low, make a higher high, we're interested in that high that comes down to give us this retest here to this point. Are we together? So that high is what we're going to mark. In case that doesn't happen and comes and breaks back lower, we shall be looking for the low that gave us a retest to this point here. So we shall be marking this low here. If it creates equal lows with this one, it's done. You'll be marking like that. So that's how you create or you identify highs and lows. And these highs and lows are very important because that is where you take trades from. If you cannot identify the highs and lows, it means that it will be difficult for you to identify where to take trades from. These highs and lows are where we take our trades from. They give us directional bias. They give us the structures we trade. So we're going to do a practice of identifying the highs until the current price here on volatility 75. So we started by marking this point here. You can clearly observe the price broke it and went up. So the dollar came and gave us a retest. It is this one here. Okay, so I'm just going to mark it like that. So you can clearly see that came and it was broken down and it came and accumulated here or ranged here, and we broke down. So we can extend this. You can clearly see that price came and respected still this price. Okay, now again we're going to look for which one gave us the last test here. We shall notice that the price that gave us the last test here, we had a test in this area here. Okay, then again we can see that price, the last point that gave us a retest was this one here. So we shall mark it. So here we're in a downtrend. Again, which one gave us the last test here? We shall notice that it was this point here. Actually, let me increase the size of the candle so that you can see clearly as we move on. Okay, so you can see that this did not give us the last test. Then again, which one gave us a test there? We had this low here. Then from here we came and we came and reacted here, and then we came and retested here. We broke above. So from this point onwards, when we break the last lower high, why am I saying the last lower high? Is because the market came, reacted here, and we broke through it. So when we break through it, we shall be expecting retests, and we start marking high. So this one came and retested. So it means that we're looking for highs from now onwards. So from here, we shall be looking for the highs here. So looking at this point onwards, we find we must retest here. We have hits high here. So we shall be marking this high here like this. So this is the high that gave us this retest here. It's high here. And you clearly see that price came and was respecting it, though it was giving us breakouts, and it happens in the market. Okay. So I'm just going to and I'm just going to extend this. You can see the price was respecting it here. Now, what about this aggressive move here? We didn't have a retest here, but then when it reached up, they started trending. So we shall have the market giving us this turning point and also giving us, which one gave us the last retest here? It was this point here. Okay. So you can clearly observe that also from here, the market broke above, came and retested in this point here, which was this one here. So this is how you identify highs and lows. And why are they so important? Because these are the levels from which we take our trades. Now from here onwards, if you to extend, you can observe that those are the areas that price was actually respecting. You can see even you extended this one, even if you extend this one, these are the prices, these are the levels that price was respecting. Let's extend this one to our right hand side. You observe that this is exactly the levels price was respecting. Okay. Now, from here, you can see that since we're in a downtrend, we're not going to extend this. We shall be marking the lows. So these are the lows that we did have in this area here. So this is the low here. You can see this connected to the BTB, so we shall mark our area to cover here. So you can see price broke down and retested. So we said whenever the price is retesting, that's what we're interested in, that retest. Okay. So which one gave us that retest there? It was this low here. Okay. You can clearly see that price breaks down and retests, breaks down and retests. So we broke down, we retested. So we shall mark that here. This one gave us a retest, this one here. And alternatively also, this one also went and tested the same place. So we have this area here. So you can clearly see that we have identified our highs and lows. Okay. It's not hard, but you have to practice. You can clearly see our levels are very neat. Okay. And these are the only levels you're supposed to take trades from. If you cannot identify these levels, you'll be taking trades and you'll be suffering from all the other bad things that make people lose money. I do not want you to go through all those bad things. Make sure you learn this and you practice. Practice, and this will give a few hours every day to practice in case you want to be a consistent trader. Okay?